see this over-the-counter toilet organizer through the Lowe's Sapling program. So what it is that I review products that I purchased in the past from Lowe's.com, and I was invited to their Lowe's Sapling program, which gives me access to certain products for free, and I give my honest review. But I'm going to show you this item that I got. This is my very first one. I'm going to put it together and show you how I use it. But it's definitely something that I will use, but I do definitely need right now. So let's put this together.
I'm worried I might become too independent.
Okay, so the first step is pretty simple. Using these nails, one of my favorite tools to use for everything. Just putting the bottom piece together.
Give me 3 truths and then I'll show you where the lies. I always fight it. Guilty until I prove you're innocent. This just comes with experience. Wanna give love away, but this armor keeps me safe. Give or take, back and forth, push and pull. Sorry I don't make the rules, 'cause daddy told me not to trust no one. Daddy told me not to trust no one. Hey, all I ever wanted was to trust someone. Time, or maybe it's perfect. I know the reference now, I know the place, as I should this late in the game. Where were you? 2 a.m. Thursday night out with your friends, looking for signs in a bit of a doubt. Okay, your story checks out this time, but daddy told me not to trust no one. Daddy told me not to trust no one. Can I trust you? Ooh. Can I trust you too? Tell the truth, keep your word, no matter how much it hurts. Wanna believe every word that you say. Tell me it'll be okay. 'Cause see, I'm not supposed to trust no one. Trust no one. Oh, daddy told me not to trust no one.
I don't wanna talk about no drama. I don't wanna talk about your problems. I just wanna figure how to solve them. I just wanna show you that I got them. I just wanna heal all your traumas. I know it's a lot to give, but give me something tonight. Baby, I just need substance tonight, yeah. Baby, I've been out here wildin', scheming. Please give me something to believe in, I need it. I've been trying to get you to myself cause I'm greedy. Please give me something to believe in. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it...
You know my stuff.
Ooh, wait, at least you didn't touch the floor though.
Feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight. Love in this club, in this club, in this club. I might fall in love. I might fall in love. I might fall in love in this club. How much of your love can I borrow? I don't wanna wait until tomorrow. I just needed to fill out my sorrows. I forgot to tell you that I was hollow. And I know, and I hope you're gonna fill my void tonight. I hope you save me from what I've been feeling like. And I'm feeling right, yeah, what? I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight.
That's my cue. You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy? Or did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong? Or you're stringing me along? Then that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little, uh-oh. Let's go, boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, oh. But now the energy got hazy, oh. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy, oh. I can't seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting. That's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little, uh-oh. Let's go, boy, that's my cue. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge like the time you want. Tell me I'm the one or I'm up and gone. Yeah, touching on my body like nobody does. We lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time,